listening to Tish 21.
What's going on, guys? So today I'm letting my boy Vishal pick up the AMG just for a little bit while he's running some errands, and he's going to be bringing the Mustang over, and I'm going to be installing his wheel spacers that he just got on it. He's also got some, I believe he bought Eibach lowering springs, so we're going to be throwing those on as well very soon. But since we're waiting on my boy Kevin for the springs, we figured why don't we just throw the spacers on the stock suspension setup. Hopefully it doesn't look too wacky, but I think it should look pretty freaking sick. So he should be here any minute, and then we'll get that started. What size did you go? 20 mils, right? So we're gonna see how this thing looks with the 20 mil spacers on it. Here's how it looks like before at stock height. So he's gonna be boring the AMG for the moment. Yeah, don't forget it's lowered, eh? When you pull into driveways and shit. So we got the spacer on there.
Nope.
It doesn't fit?
Nope.
Yo, it's not going, it's not seating.
No, it's not. Alright?
It's not seating.
Yeah. Yeah, the OEM studs are too big. Too long.
It's not seating. So that was a fat L. We're gonna have to try something else. He's gonna go and return the 20s and get 25 mil. So if you have a Mustang, don't buy 20 mil spacers. They do not fit on these cars at all. The space in the back of the wheel needs a slightly larger spacer or a different wheel. Like usually, like for example, if you look at my RPF ones from the G35, if we look at the back, let's see how they are. So like this space inside here is bigger on this wheel than it is on the Mustang. So like these would have fit, but I'm not trying to give him my RPF ones, you know. But these would have fit on his car. All right, so we're going for a drive. We got my boys Nismo 370Z single turbo 600 wheel joining us today, and my boy Vishal is going to be driving the AMG, and I'm going to be taking the Mustang. So we'll see how this goes. This thing's a different kind of fun, guys. I don't know, I really enjoy anything that's literally manual, and V8, you can't go wrong. Yeah, that thing sounds nasty. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.